Hello from the Bureau with your national weather forecast as we take a look at what we can expect heading into this weekend. That's Saturday the 3rd and Sunday the 4th of May. First, a look at the synoptic map for Saturday, and straight away we can see a large high pressure system sitting over the southeast of the country. That's really dominating the weather across southern and eastern Australia. It is producing clear skies and light winds across Tasmania, Victoria, South Australia and southern New South Wales, but that will mean cold mornings will continue, followed by mild and sunny days. It is also pushing showers onto the east coast, generally for northern New South Wales and also eastern Queensland. Now in the west, this cold front is sweeping across southwestern parts of Western Australia. We are seeing showers, particularly across the coast, and also some cooler southwesterly and gusty winds behind that, so temperatures will start to fall heading into the weekend. Across northern Australia, the wet season has now concluded, but a few showers and thunderstorms are possible across far north Queensland and also through the top end. So now a state-by-state look, starting off in Queensland for the start of your long weekend. We'll see showers across the east, heaviest about the northeast tropical coast. We could see isolated falls in excess of 50 millimetres. Showers also for the central highlands and northern goldfields. Maximum temperatures through that part of the state slightly below average with that cloud cover. It will be sunny though and warm across western Queensland, and for the southeast of the state, a few showers about the coast, including for Brisbane with a top of 24 degrees. Showers for Cairns with a maximum of 28. In New South Wales, frost is possible about the ranges and inland areas with a cold start for many centres, and we'll see a few showers north of about Sydney, heavier north of Port Macquarie, and there is a hazardous surf warning from the Macquarie, Coffs and Byron coast tomorrow. Canberra, a cold start, dipping down to 1 degree with a mostly sunny top of 21 degrees to follow, and in Sydney, a possible light shower with a maximum of 23 there. For Victoria, plenty of sunshine, a little bit of fog and also a bit of frost in the morning about the ranges and northern parts of the state, but northerly winds will push maximum temperatures up to 5 degrees above the May average. It will be quite windy to the west later in the day, but otherwise a dry and sunny day across the state. Melbourne, sunny with a top of 22 degrees and a cool start 9 degrees, but even colder through some of those outer suburbs. In Tasmania, northerly winds will also push maximum temperatures up to 5 degrees above average, reaching the high teens to low 20s. A little bit of fog and frost in the morning is possible, but otherwise a dry and mostly sunny day across the state. Hobart, mostly sunny and 19, up to 20 degrees up in Launceston. In South Australia, again, sunny conditions right across the state, and northerly winds will push maximum temperatures up to 8 degrees above the May average. It will be quite windy though, especially out in the west later in the day with a strong wind warning across marine waters through there. Maximum temperatures reaching the mid-20s to the south and mid to high 20s to the north. In Adelaide, a mostly sunny day with a top of 25 degrees. In Western Australia, we will see that cold front push through in the morning. Showers mainly about the coast, but we won't see too much rainfall through the wheat belt nor through the goldfields. It will be quite windy as well behind that cold front, with strong winds possible all the way from Bunbury right round to the South Australian border, reaching gale force at times about the Albany coast. For Perth, a few showers at the top of 22 degrees, but mild and warm for the Gascoyne and Pilbara, reaching the high 20s to the low 30s. And across the rest of the north of the country, through Northern Territory, the first day of the long weekend through there, a few showers about the eastern top end, but mostly dry across Darwin, and mostly dry and warm across the southern NT and also through the Kimberley. So now a quick look at your Sunday. We do see those warmer northerly winds pushing down across the southeast, so temperatures will start to climb even further. A few showers continue about the east coast, but generally easing across parts of New South Wales. And in the west, we will see another cold front brush through the southwest of the state. That will reinforce showers and gusty winds across the south there, but remaining quite cool. And showers and storms do continue across the north of the country. So in terms of maximum temperatures, we will see them climb across the southeast up to 27 degrees in Adelaide, 23 for Melbourne and 21 in Hobart. For Sydney, it will be a dry day with a maximum of 23, but a few showers will persist about Brisbane, 25 and Perth, 21, and a possible shower also for Darwin with a top of 33 degrees. That's your forecast for this weekend. As always, stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on our website, follow us on social media and YouTube, and as always, have a great weekend.